Hi, my name is Ayaan Ahmed. I'm an 8th grader living in Dhaka, Bangladesh. My goal in life is to become a software developer, but enough of that. This is my final project for cs50x 2020. My final project is, well, a game, and I call it Jump Mania. Why do I call it Jump Mania? Well, let me show you. As you can see, this game resembles a lot like a Mario. I love the old 8-bit Mario games because, well, they're just classic. Let me show you how the game. The programming language I've used to make this game is called Lua, and the framework is called Love. So let's see how the game works, shall we? So as you have probably guessed from the name, the character can, well, jump. You can make the character jump by pressing up or W on the keyboard. The character will go right if you press the right arrow, and it can also go left if you press the left arrow or A. A cool feature is that the character can double jump. If you press up again, when the character is in the air, it will double jump. Now let's see some more features other than the character. As you can see, there are also platforms which you can jump onto. You can also collect coins on the map by going into them. There is a coin counter on the top right corner which shows how many coins you have collected. There are also spikes on the ground which, as you can see on the top left, damage you for 1 heart if you go into them. If you go further into the level, dodging the spikes and collecting some coins, we can notice that there is a camera which tracks the player if it goes out of the field of view. You can also see that there are some movable stone blocks which you can use to block the spikes or use to jump up from. If we go further into the level, we can see that there is a big scary monster waiting for us. If you come in contact with the monster, you can see that it will damage you for 1 heart. If you lose all 3 hearts, it will cause you to respawn back at the starting point. Another cool feature about the monster is that when it collides with an entity or even you 3 times, it will actually go into a rage mode where it moves much faster and looks more intimidating. If we go further right after crossing the monster, we can see that we are transitioned into another level where it says, well, thank you. Thank you for going through this very short game of mine. A lot of you might be thinking, well, this was a very easy game. Actually, for me, it wasn't. It took me a long time to make. This was my very first time working with Lua and, well, making a game. So I hope that you appreciate the effort. The CS50 course was not only challenging but also quite fun. If you are interested in programming, I highly encourage you to try CS50's Introduction to Computer Science course. Well, that's enough of me. I hope you all have a great day wherever you are, and goodbye.